Dino, stop eating.
He's just a growing boy, dear.
Tweet, tweet, more pie.
All right. Just save some for the rest of us.
Yummy pie.
Almost ready, dears?
More for me? Whoa, too much.
What's all that noise?
Just the little rascal.
It's empty!
Dino, did you eat it all?
Maybe a little. He just can't resist.
Dino, oh, you little rascal.
Dino, stop eating.
Choco excited.
The food's almost ready, dear.
But it looks so yummy.
Patience, you two. Dino, stop eating. He's eating it all, Grandma.
But it's so yummy.
Save some for later, dear.
Finally.
Dino, stop eating. You have to wait for dinner. But it smells so good. Yum, yum, more please. All right, you two, just a little taste. Oh no, it's almost gone.
Don't worry, we'll make more. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Let's get baking, everyone. Yay, teamwork.
Best family ever.
Dino, stop eating.
Yay, Choco excited for cooking. But it looks so good.
Watch me cook, sweetie.
Choco watch, so warm.
Okay, I'll watch the food.
Oh, wow. It smells wonderful.
Just like always, my dear.
I'm so hungry, let's eat. Dig in, everyone.
Delicious. This pie is wonderful.
It is. Best one yet.
It's so yummy. Delicious, more please. Of course, Choco.
Thank you.
Family time.
Bye for now. See you next time on Choco TV.